The way in which you do not allow others to break you is by your ability to respond in the way that grows you rather than breaks you. And by forgiving, you're taking back that power. Because you're saying, you can't control me, you can't break me. I am going to take whatever has happened in my life and I'm going to use it to become stronger. And I'm going to let it go and I'm going to forgive, not for you, but actually for me. I'm going to forgive because number one, that frees me. And most importantly, it allows me to get the forgiveness of Allah. So it's a win-win. But you have to change the way you see it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving you an opportunity to gain the forgiveness of Allah by forgiving those who have hurt you.